Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Notpixel 2.0, revolutionizing crypto gaming with major updates and $PX token launch. Notpixel, the Telegram-based crypto game powered by Notcoin, has quickly captured the attention of millions worldwide. Known for its exciting gameplay and robust community engagement, the game has grown to boast over 15 million active players. As it prepares for the launch of its highly anticipated version 2.0, the platform is promising groundbreaking updates that will redefine the player experience and cement its position as a leader in the crypto gaming world. The countdown to Notpixel 2.0. The launch of Notpixel 2.0 is a pivotal moment for the platform. Scheduled for Q4 2024, this upgrade brings a host of new features designed to enhance gameplay, increase earning potential, and make the gaming experience more immersive. Players can expect enhanced gameplay mechanics, revamped systems to make the game more engaging and challenging, new earning opportunities, innovative ways for players to earn $PX tokens through achievements, events, and daily tasks, exclusive rewards, rare in-game assets and collectibles tied to the $PX ecosystem, community-centric features, new tools for player interaction and collaboration, fostering an even stronger community spirit. The news was officially shared on X, formerly Twitter, sparking widespread excitement and speculation about what's to come. The impact of the $PX token airdrop. One of the most talked about aspects of Notpixel 2.0 is the $PX token airdrop, a significant event that has the community abuzz. This airdrop is more than just a giveaway. It's an opportunity for players to earn tradable cryptocurrency tokens that can be used within the game or exchanged on major crypto platforms. The confirmed $PX token listing date is set for November 2024, aligning with the release of Notpixel 2.0. This synchronization ensures that players can immediately leverage their earned tokens, making the game even more rewarding. Here's what makes the airdrop a game changer. Broad accessibility. All eligible players will receive $PX tokens, democratizing access to in-game and real-world rewards. Market integration. The tokens will be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, enabling trading and investment opportunities. Economic growth. The airdrop is expected to drive the in-game economy and enhance the token's value over time. Community. The backbone of Notpixel's success. Notpixel's rapid rise is largely due to its strong community-driven approach. With an impressive user base that includes 16 million Telegram users, a thriving space for players to connect, share tips, and engage in discussions. 4.2 million Telegram subscribers, a massive audience staying updated on the game's latest developments. 395.5k followers on Twitter, a growing social media presence that amplifies the game's reach. The platform's official Telegram bot plays a key role in this ecosystem, offering players seamless access to updates, rewards, and support. By prioritizing communication and engagement, Notpixel has built a loyal and active community that continues to grow. The road ahead for Notpixel. With its 2.0 update and $PX token listing on the horizon, Notpixel is positioned for exponential growth. The platform is more than a game, it's a comprehensive ecosystem that bridges the gap between gaming and cryptocurrency. Industry experts are optimistic about the platform's future, citing several factors that could contribute to its continued success. Innovative updates. The integration of new features keeps the game fresh and engaging. Token value potential. The $PX token's listing is expected to attract both gamers and crypto investors, increasing its market value. Expanding player base. The upcoming updates and airdrop are likely to draw even more players into the Notpixel community. What players and investors should watch for. As the launch date approaches, here are key milestones to keep an eye on. Official airdrop announcement. Details about the airdrop timeline and eligibility criteria are expected soon. $PX token listing. November 2024 will mark the beginning of trading on major exchanges. Notpixel 2.0 launch. The new version will roll out with exciting updates that redefine the gaming experience. Community events. Expect special game events and promotions to celebrate these milestones. Why Notpixel matters in the crypto gaming world. The blend of gaming and cryptocurrency is a rapidly growing industry, and Notpixel is at the forefront of this revolution. By offering players tangible rewards in the form of cryptocurrency, the game provides a unique value proposition that goes beyond entertainment. For players, it's an opportunity to earn while having fun. For investors, it's a chance to back a platform with proven growth and potential. As Notpixel continues to innovate and expand, it's clear that this is just the beginning of an exciting journey in the crypto gaming world. Final thoughts. With its community-focused approach, innovative updates, and the upcoming $PX token launch, Notpixel is shaping the future of crypto gaming. Whether you're a player eager to explore the new features or an investor looking for the next big thing in cryptocurrency, Notpixel is a name to watch in 2024 and beyond.